Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the live trade of Vedanta. Why I have selected Vedanta stock means the stock has declared 18.5 rupees dividend yesterday, so that's why I have selected this stock. So let's see. So I have marked the important level, that is institutional zones and CPR. If you haven't watched the institutional zone, how to add the institutional zone in the chart, kindly watch this video where I have explained how to add institutional zones. This is for free. So once you add that, there is an institutional zone. This is the where it look like. And in 5-minute chart, the stock started down first 5 minutes. The selling has happened, and in this zone, it's formed a bullish pin bar. So this is where I took an entry. I took a long position here, keeping a stop loss of just 300 rupees or 299, and booked my profit around 304 rupees. This is 1:2. I booked my profit around 304.5. Right, to reward ratio is 1.78. I will show you the positions. So see, the position is here only. The order book I have shown. See, so buy happened at 935.51, that is 301.3. that is exactly like this. The price is around 935. I placed the order around 301.3 and I exited it around 944. That is this candle 944 this. So I could have been hold, but I am been busy sometimes, so I have closed my position so early. So I could have trailed this because of the moving average. You can plot moving average, and moving average can be 8-day moving average for trailing. So whenever the stock or price comes to this 8-day moving average, it can take a support. See, it can take the support. Whenever it breaks, that time you exit the stock around 306. The profit would have been more, but I closed the position early. The profit is 250, around 1% of the profit. I have invested around 5,000 rupees and I got 250 rupees, 256 of profit. So this is the live trade today. So I share my views on Nifty and Bank Nifty in this Telegram channel. You can visit this. So Nifty, so there is a Bank Nifty. I have posted it around 9 o'clock, and Nifty, see how it is performed, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So see, Bank Nifty has come to this level and it has bounced back. Also Nifty has broken this level and started moving. This is how I take the trades based on the CPR and institutional zones. So if you like this video, kindly share, subscribe the channel and follow me into Telegram for further updates. Thank you very much.